Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of sewage odor from your bathroom. We all know that our bathroom is the most private part of the house for us, where we wash ourselves and take care of ourselves privately. And sometimes some terrible odor comes out from the drainage pipes, even when we have thoroughly washed the bathroom and it's clean. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of those odors for good. So I have baking soda, not baking powder, baking soda, bicarbonate of soda. You can easily get this, and I also have white vinegar. You can also add tree tea oil or vanilla oil or any fragrance or almond oil, because these two already have their own natural smell, but this is what you will need to get out the smell from your bathroom. And you need to do it 3 months, every 3 months or every 6 months, depending on when the odor come back, because we've used this for years and there are some mildew that have gone in there through the years, in the pipes. So from time to time that odor oozes out, and this is what we want to get rid of. So I'm going to apply some bicarbonate of soda. You can easily get this from your baking stores. Apply like 3 or 4 spoons around it. Then you pour your white vinegar. Do you see the reaction? You see the reaction? It's going to go in and take away those smells. You can also apply that in your toilet, inside the toilet. It will go and clean the pipes of your toilet. You see the reaction? You can see the foamy substance. So having put this in our toilet, we'll have to close it and wait for 1 hour. You also can put this in all the water outlets of the house. All the water outlets, it will go and clean up the drainage. You wait till 1 hour before you can use the toilet, or you can use the wash hand basin. Thank you very much, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. And if this video has been of any help to you, please smash the like button. Thank you.